This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. This Elmwood model is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home plus a bonus flex room. It is an open concept floor plan. The kitchen, great for entertaining, includes a large island with a breakfast bar, 42-inch soft close cabinets, and a large pantry. The gas cooktop and built-in oven are highlights for the aspiring chef. Ceramic tile in the main living spaces and wet areas. The spacious primary bedroom is equipped with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a water closet. The welcoming living area has large sliders that lead out to your covered lanai. Community amenities include a private clubhouse with a sparkling pool, fitness center, pickleball courts, bocce ball courts, horseshoe pits, a small walking path, and a meeting area with a kitchen. The clubhouse and community are surrounded by nature, with opportunities to see various wildlife. All this is tucked away from the hustle and bustle but minutes from downtown Brooksville, 30 minutes to Pine Island and Weeki Wachee State Park, and 45 minutes from Tampa International Airport. Cable, internet, and landscaping maintenance are also included. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Atari at 941-907-2000.